If you're tired of seeing this message or your Ring camera is dying at the worst possible time, this fixes that. With this YUELAN 2-pack replacement batteries with charging station, you get 2 upgraded lithium batteries plus a dual charging dock. So you can have 2 batteries in your camera or always keep one charging while the other one is in use. These work with Ring Doorbell 2, 3, 3 Plus, 4, and Spotlight cams and stick-up cams. The 60-40 megahertz capacity means longer battery life, fewer recharges, and more reliable continuous surveillance. The charging dock uses USB-C, so you can plug it into a wall outlet, computer, power bank, or even your car. And the LED lights make it super simple. Red means charging, green means fully charged. If you want less downtime and more peace of mind from your Ring camera, grab this extra battery set. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference.